You open that? I think that's from Uncle Lee, sweetheart. Uncle Lee sent that to you.
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow, a teddy bear.
How cool. Yeah, see, there's a card on the back.
Oh, wow, what did it be? Oh, wow.
Cute.
Oh, wow.
Do you love it?
Mm.
Oh, awesome.
Oh, awesome. Awesome and awesome.
It's from Uncle Leroy. Oh, wow.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. A teddy bear. Oh, teddy bear.
Oh my goodness, that is so cool.
Oh, and look, it's in a bag. It's a teddy bear in a bag. Oh, that is cool. Will I open it for you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I open it for Mom.